Hello Kenta friends. In today's video, we will be discussing 3 of the best Android icon pack applications. Icons play a crucial role in enhancing the visual appearance of our Android devices, and these icon packs offer unique and attractive designs to give your device a fresh new look. So let's dive in and explore these amazing icon pack options. Yellow Star Icon Pack. Yellow Star is an icon pack application for Android that is designed with a yellow color theme. This application offers unique and attractive icons with a modern and minimalistic style. Each icon in Yellow Star has fine and sharp details, providing a consistent and aesthetic look to the entire screen display of your Android device. The application also comes with a feature to replace default app icons with more appealing icons that match the overall Yellow Star theme. iOS Droip Icon Pack. iOS Droip is an icon pack application for Android that adopts the icon design from the iOS iPhone operating system. By installing this application, you can change the appearance of icons on your Android device to resemble those on an iPhone. iOS Droip provides icons that are very similar to those in iOS, giving a new experience to Android users who want to have the iOS icon look without switching to an iPhone device. The application also includes a feature to replace default app icons with icons that are more suitable for the iOS Droip theme. Linebit Icon Pack. Linebit is an icon pack application for Android that offers icons designed based on flat design. With a minimalist and modern style, Linebit provides various icons with simple and sharp line designs. The application combines bright and vibrant colors with flat design, giving a fresh and attractive impression to the icon display on your Android device. Linebit also includes icon customization options, allowing you to easily replace default app icons with icons that better match the Linebit theme. And that concludes our discussion on the best Android icon pack applications: Yellow Star, iOS Droip, and Linebit. Each of these packs offers its own unique style and design choices, allowing you to personalize your Android device and make it truly stand out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.